Hello, and welcome to this guided little light meditation designed to restore and balance your heart chakra. Find a safe and comfortable position, either sitting up nice and tall or laying down. Once you're settled, close your eyes and place your hands over your heart, bringing your awareness to your hands, connecting you physically to this sacred space where your physical self and spiritual self are united. Connecting to and focusing on the beat of your heart, that primordial, universal rhythm to this life. The first spark of this existence. Before your lungs could breathe air, this ever-present pulse was yours. It is the rhythm of your life. What does it beat for? What does it yearn for? What makes it sing? Take a moment of gratitude for this space that holds your heart, this heart that gives you life. Then release your arms and bring your attention to the rhythm of your breath. The inhales and exhales. Inhaling, say to yourself, love, and feel love radiating through you. On the exhale, say to yourself, gratitude. Allow the feeling of gratitude to radiate out as you exhale. Take a few more breaths, noticing the flow of your sacred breath and experiencing this radiating love and gratitude. On the next inhale, visualize yourself strolling along a lush and clear mountain path. Radiating love and gratitude, you instinctively follow the path. Take in your surroundings. The sun is shining down, dancing off the vibrant green from the trees and grass. A lovely breeze flitters through the trees and caresses your skin. Smell the fresh air. Feel your feet kiss the ground with every loving step you take. Your path leads to the most exquisite temple carved into the mountainside. You step inside and feel your heart flutter with joy. Each time you step into this place, it feels like coming home. With each step you take, you grow more at ease, more settled, more relaxed, knowing you're exactly where you're supposed to be. Radiating love and gratitude, you continue to instinctively follow the path. This is the heart of your journey. You explore the central floor of the temple. Somewhere in this open air space, you will find a beautifully wrapped green box. Notice what stands out to you as you explore this beautiful space. What do you see? What do you hear? And what do you feel? You make your way to the heart of the temple and find the emerald-colored box. Your heart fills with excitement. You open it up and a green mist flows out enveloping you. You breathe it in and feel an overwhelming sense of unconditional love. It is so pure and so true. The mystical mist makes its way down to your heart chakra in your chest, joining with the bright green energy swirling there. If the energy at your heart chakra is too fast, and you're someone that's possessive, overly dramatic, withholds emotion to punish others, or whose love is conditional, visualize the mist slowing down the swirling energy. If it is too slow, stagnant, or blocked, and you're someone that fears rejection or betrayal, feels unworthy of receiving love, leans towards self-pity, visualize the mist speeding up the swirl. Take a few breaths to visualize that green ball of swirling energy in your chest becoming smooth, steady, and balanced. Each inhale making the green more radiant. Each exhale making the energy more powerful. When your heart chakra is balanced, you are open to experiencing an abundance of love, compassion, forgiveness, and empathy for yourself and others. Your heart chakra holds the essence and truth. It is the center of the chakra system, where the physical and the spiritual meet. It is the center of love, different than the sexual love and desire of the second chakra. This is a pure, true, unconditional love filled with gratitude, compassion, and forgiveness. Picture and feel that powerful, radiating energy flowing out from your heart, coursing through your entire body and bursting out of you, infusing your whole life with love and compassion. You look in the box and find a few pictures. You take out the first picture. It is a picture of your favorite memory with someone or several people you truly love. You are transported to that moment. See it unfold before you. Take in the sounds, the sights, the smells, and really feel it in your body. Then visualize and feel that powerful radiating energy flowing out from your heart, coursing through your entire body and bursting out from your heart center, wrapping everyone there in that beautiful green mist, infusing them with pure, unconditional love and compassion. When you're ready, take a deep, cleansing breath. Bringing your attention back to the box, you take out the next picture. It's a picture of someone that you have a difficult relationship with, that you are ready to forgive. If you find yourself struggling, be compassionate with yourself. It's okay. Whenever you're ready, picture that person before you. You say to each other, "I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you." Then visualize and feel that powerful, radiating energy flowing out from your heart, coursing through your entire body, releasing any blocks, allowing you to become unstuck, and bursting out from your heart center, wrapping that person in that beautiful green mist, infusing them with pure, unconditional love, compassion, and forgiveness. When you're ready, take a deep cleansing breath. Bringing your attention back to that box, you take out the last picture. It's a beautiful picture of you in this moment. See yourself without judgment, without criticism. See yourself the way you truly are. You're radiant, a divine and loving soul worthy of your own unconditional love. Say to yourself, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Then visualize and feel that powerful radiating energy flowing out from your heart, coursing through your entire body, releasing any blocks so that you become unstuck, bursting out from your heart center, wrapping you up in that beautiful green mist, infusing yourself with pure, unconditional love, compassion, and forgiveness. When you're ready, take a deep cleansing breath. You close the box and you make your way out of the temple, radiating love and deep gratitude, your feet kissing the ground with every loving step you take, knowing you can always return here whenever you need it. Bringing your awareness back to the beat of your heart, that primordial, universal rhythm to this life, that ever-present pulse is yours. That precious, magical heart of yours, what does it beat for? What does it yearn for? What makes it sing? With loving gratitude, begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes. The author Amit Ray wrote, "When you touch the celestial in your heart, you will realize that the beauty of your soul is so pure, so vast, and so devastating that you have no option but to merge with it. You have no option but to feel the rhythm of the universe in the rhythm of your heart." May you go into the rest of your days feeling the universe's rhythm in your heart, and may your little light always shine bright. Namaste.